Hey guys, Adrian here with Bill Dickinson Chevrolet in Gladwater, Texas. And again, we're looking at a 2023 Trail Boss. Now, what I wanted to talk about this Trail Boss is that it is an LT. They do have a custom, but I wanted to show you about this. Look, what now with this particular model, what we did is we upgraded the wheel size. So this rim right here is a 20-inch rim. Now, when you order them, they're automatically going to come out with 18s. You have to bump up to a 20, otherwise that vehicle is going to come out with the um the 18s. Again, 20-inch wheels on this truck being so big looks amazing. Give us a call, guys. My number here is 903 845 2221. Ask for Adrian. Thank you.